Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, and I'm back again with another video where I will show you how you can recover your deleted Snapchat memories. So if you are looking for a video like this, make sure you watch it till the end as I will be explaining all the possible methods that you can try to recover your deleted Snapchat memories. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. First of all, you need to open the Snapchat app. Then tap the profile icon given in the top left. From here, go to Settings and scroll down a bit till you find this option that says My Data. So press that. Here you will get to download all your data that you want. But if you will scroll down to the bottom, you will see this option right here that do you want to include your memories as a downloadable file. So while downloading your data, you need to turn this on. Alright, then you need to enter your preferred email address that you want to use for this request. You are going to submit a request to Snapchat to let you download your data, which will also include your memories. Now, after that, you need to confirm your email address. Then you also get the option to select the date range so that it doesn't take a lot of time to download that file. Alright, if you will select the whole data, it will take a lot of time by Snapchat as well as you to download that file. So to save time, what you can do is you need to remember the time when you have taken those memories, those snaps, alright, and they are now deleted or they are missing. Alright, so what you need to do is you just need to look for the date, the approximate date. For example, let's say you can select a period of 1 month, or you can also select the last 3 months as you can see right here. Alright, so these are the given options. Otherwise, what you can do is you can simply select the date by yourself. For example, you can select that you want to download the data from 1st Jan to 28th Feb 2023. So this will select the custom date range for your data. And once you have confirmed your email address, you can press submit request, and this will send the message to Snapchat that you want to download your data, and on the same email address you will get the downloadable file that you can download and see all your information including your memories. Alright, so here you can also go through the information what all will be there in your data file that you will get from Snapchat. Alright, so that's one thing that you can do. Let's move on to the second method that you can try. This will help in case of missing memories. If you think they are not deleted but they are missing, you haven't deleted them, you are not sure that you have deleted them or not, and you are thinking that you might have only like they are not there in your account but they were there a few days back. Alright, you haven't deleted them, they are just missing. So go back, tap I need help under support section. From here you need to select memories, and here you will get all the information about what kind of help do you need related to memories. So you can select troubleshooting missing memories. Now again here you need to select my Snapchat memories are missing, and you will get all the information that what all you can do if you think your Snapchat memories are missing. So it can happen that they haven't backed up on your device. Alright, so if this information was of no help for you, you have already backed up your data but still you are not able to find those missing memories, the next step you need to take is to go back, and then you need to go to feedback section. Here select I spotted a bug. Now you need to submit a report related to the missing memories. Only this method can help you now. Alright, go select memories. Now here you need to choose a topic, and this will also has this option that is missing memories, so you can select this one. And if you have any attachment related to this issue that you are facing, you can even add that image, that screenshot. Then you need to explain them what exactly happened when you find out that your memories are missing. All right, once you are done describing your issue, press submit, and you will also receive the reply from Snapchat on the same email address to which your account is linked. So these are the 3 steps that you can take if you want to recover, or if you want to try to get back your deleted memories. There is no assurance that you will get them back, but still only these 3 methods will work for you. So yeah, that was it for today's topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. And if you have any issues or doubts, you can tell me in the comment section down below. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.